Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about one of the important topic which is vulnerable groups. Okay, so it is important for the post basic BSc nursing second year as well as BSc honors third or it could be fourth year. Okay. I don't remember, but it's I think third or in the fourth year. Yeah. So it is important for the exam point of view. So let's discuss. I will show you notes in this, or if you have any difficulty in understanding of the writing and anything about it, you can ask me. So let's get started.
So guys, please ignore my writing. These are my running notes. Okay. So what is vulnerable groups? VG are those who are at risk, higher risk of poor health, poverty, exploitation, and the social problem due to economical as well as biological factors. So VG are those groups. Okay, those who are at higher risk. For example, women's and children's as well as elderly. Okay, so we can say these are in high risk groups included under this. Government of India includes 15 groups under the VG. Okay, first one is women, and the second is children. Third one is elderly, women, children, and elderly, and fourth one is person with disability, handicapped or disabled person. Okay, and the fifth one is scheduled caste or scheduled tribes like SC/STs. Seventh one is other backward class, and the eighth one is minority groups. Okay, so who includes minority groups? Minority groups means those who have are financially weak. Okay, as well as less in numbers. We include under the minority groups. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर कोई सोसाइटी में या फिर किसी कंट्री में फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडिया में अगर इंडियंस अगर हिंदूज ज़्यादा हैं, ठीक है, मतलब नंबर्स हिंदूज़ का ज़्यादा है, और एज़ कम्पेयर टू हिंदू जो क्रिश्चियन है वो क्या है, कम है, लेस नंबर्स में है, ठीक है, और उनके पास पावर भी कम है, देन वी कैन से दोज पीपल आर अंडर द माइनॉरिटी ग्रुप. ओके, तो लेस पावर एंड लेस नंबर. ओके, नाइन्थ वन इज BPL, बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन फैमिलीज, एंड टेंथ वन इज migrant workers. Yeah, those who are coming from rural areas, ठीक है, for the work in the factories and all, वो भी include होंगे under the VG. Now the 11th one is homeless people, those who stay roadside and in the basement of metros and all, and then 13th one is mentally ill patient, and the 14th one is substance abuse, and then we having slum dwellers and people with chronic illnesses. Okay, who are the people with chronic illnesses? Those are having HIV, AIDS, or any chronic disease like chronic liver disease, cancers. ठीक है, those all are included under the VG. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. अगर आपको राइटिंग में समझ में नहीं आ रही है तो आप मुझे मैसेज ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं अंडरलाइन करके. I will tell you. Thank you.